What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have the Google Pixel 6 Pro in cloudy white. It was just delivered to me, so we're gonna do an unboxing and the first initial cut on. So let's get into it. So as you can see here, I have the cloudy white. I ordered this from AT&T. It says Pixel 6 Pro hashtag Teampixel, only because I picked this up with my own money. It says Google at the top. My information is on the bottom. So it has pull tabs. Pull them open. I'm hyped, a little hyped for this device. I usually don't rock with Google devices, but since I seen what this Google Pixel 6 Pro was packing, I was like, yeah, I have to get my hands on that. So it has a 6.7-inch display. This is the 128 gigabyte version. I could have went with the 256, but I didn't want black. I wanted white, and I already have the 13 Pro Max and the Z Fold 3 256, so 128 should be fine. So first you are greeted with that device. Woo! Look at that nice fold. Woo! It feels cold to the touch, because as you know, this is all glass. That's nice, but I wish this could have been matte. I wish this would have had a matte back instead of glossy, because this is going to be slippery, and it's going to pick up a lot of fingerprints. But man, look at that. It's cloudy white, so you get two different color whites here, but the camera's not doing it any justice. But man, this looks nice. You get that unique camera bump, which is nice. This phone feels really light in the hand, actually. So we're going to put this aside for now. As you can see, this is what you get in the box. So you get your OTG adapter. So this is if you have another Pixel phone, all you have to do is connect this to your new phone and your old phone, and you'll be able to transfer all of your data just like that. Get your USB Type-C cable, which I have a million of these. USB-C to USB-C. Put that right back in there like so. You get your books. Get that SIM ejection tool on the back. You get your little books, but I don't need this, so I'm just gonna toss it to the side. So now we're gonna put the top back on the box like so, and we are going to power up the device for the first initial cut on. So peel that off like so. So like I said, this is a 6.7-inch display. You get your punch hole notch at the top. This phone looks nice. Looks nice in the hands. I have a case coming tomorrow and a screen protector coming tomorrow. So let's turn this device on for the very first time. Hold the power button. See if it has any juice. Boom, as you can see, it says Google, and as you know, they did put the volume up and down button here and the power button here, and the reason why I couldn't cut it on is because I was pushing the volume up and down button. So this is something I'm gonna have to get used to, but it shouldn't be too big of a problem. But as you can see on this side, you have your power button, your volume up and down. At the bottom here, you have your USB Type-C speaker, your speakers. And on this side, you just have your SIMs tray and nothing else. Man, this looks nice. So it says, welcome to your Pixel. We'll hit get started. I'm just gonna skip everything and get right to the home screen and let you see what that looks like. for the first time. Skip setup. Continue, because after this I'm going to wipe the phone and set it up separately, but I just want to let you see what the home screen is looking like. So skip, and I'm going to compare this to compare this to my iPhone 13 Pro Max and to my Z Fold 3 real quick. So man, look at that. That's a nice screen you getting. Nice screen, nice display. I thought this device would feel a lot heavier, but it really doesn't. This device feels real good in the hand. Feels nice, snappy. It has 120 hertz, so that's what you're getting. And this is running Android 12, and Google also has their own chip now. It's called the Teampixel chip, so I'll be testing that out also. But let me pick up my iPhone so we can just do a little size comparison. And I thought this was a nice white, but man, this white here is really nice. Okay, but like size comparison. So as you can see here, let me see here, let's cut it off. As you can see here, the Google Pixel 6 Pro, they look about the same because these have the exact same screens. This is just that the iPhone is rounded and this is squared off and it has curved edges. So now let me pick up my Z Fold 3, even though it's going to be different because the Z Fold 3 is the Z Fold 3 is more than just the phone. But as you can see, about the same size, except for this is wider. But then when you open up your Z Fold 3 like this, you can almost fit the Google Pixel 6 Pro in one side of the screen like that. So that's what that looks like compared a size comparison. So this was just a quick video of me doing an unboxing and the first initial cut on. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.